This 5-minute solution will show you how to get Twitch Prime free trial. Open your browser and type here twitch.amazon.com. And then you will jump into this page. Once you are here, click on Try Prime. Click on Continue. And here you can change your country by clicking on Change Country. So I'm clicking on Continue. And now all you have to need, just enter here your Amazon account login credential and click on Sign In. Once done, you will be able to easily get the Twitch Prime free trial. Just follow next steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.